Welcome to today's tutorial. In this session, we learn how to filter values from an array based on a custom comparator function. This approach allows us to apply dynamic filtering logic that goes beyond simple equality checks. Let's get started. The task is to filter out values from the first array that do not match any value in the second array. As determined by a custom comparator function, this technique is useful for handling complex filtering scenarios. This function iterates over the first array and keeps only elements for which no match is found in the second array, based on the comparator function. In this example, values are compared after rounding them using math.round. The function begins by iterating over the first array. For each element, it checks if any element in the second array satisfies the comparator function. If no match is found, the element is included in the result. In this example, values from the first array are compared with the second array using math.round. Elements like 1.5 are excluded because they match a rounded value in the second array, leaving 1 and 1.2 as output. This technique is incredibly versatile, whether you're comparing datasets, filtering duplicates, or implementing dynamic matching rules for various data types. The flexibility of the comparator function is what makes it so powerful. In summary, this method combines the power of the filter method and custom comparator functions to achieve dynamic filtering tailored to specific use cases. It is a valuable tool in JavaScript programming. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.